hello, beautiful people, and welcome to the Cody English.
The podcast that makes English feel easy. I'm Cody.
And I'm Cleo, and today we are talking about three of the smallest words in the English language.
Three tiny, tiny words, but oh my goodness, they cause so much pain.
We are talking about a, an, and the.
Yes, and if you have ever written a sentence and just stared at the screen thinking, do I say a cat or the cat? This episode is 100% for you.
We have been there. So many learners have been there. And today we are going to fix that confusion forever.
Forever? That's a big promise, Cleo.
It is, but I believe it because once you understand the simple logic behind these three words, everything clicks.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me the logic.
Let's start with a and an. These two are twins. They mean the exact same thing. The only difference is the sound that comes after them.
Wait, the sound, not the letter? The sound?
Yes, great catch, Cody. The sound, not the spelling. This is where many students make a mistake. They look at the first letter of the next word and think, okay, is it a vowel? A, E, I, O, U? But that's not the full rule.
Oh, so it's not just about the spelling.
No, it's about how the word sounds when you say it out loud. Here's the simple rule. Use an before a vowel sound. Use a before a consonant sound.
Okay, vowel sound means the word starts with a sound like ah, I, and consonant sound means everything else, like b, k, t, m, those sounds.
Perfect. So an apple, because apple starts with the vowel sound ah.
And apple, an elephant, an orange, and umbrella. Easy.
Great. Now a cat, because cat starts with the k sound. That's a consonant sound.
A cat, a book, a teacher, a dog.
Beautiful. Now, here's where it gets interesting. And Cody, this is a secret tip that many students never learn in school.
Ooh, secret tip. Everyone, listen closely.
Some words start with a vowel letter, but they make a consonant sound. The best example is the word university.
University, U. That's a vowel letter, so shouldn't it be an university?
That's what many people think. But say university out loud. What sound does it start with?
University. Oh, it starts with a yes sound, like university.
Exactly. It sounds like it starts with ya, and ya is a consonant sound. So we say a university.
A university, not an university. Wow, okay, that's a game changer.
Same with a European country, because European sounds like it starts with y. European.
A European country, a uniform, a useful tip.
Yes, and now the opposite. Some words start with a consonant letter but make a vowel sound. The classic example, the word hour.
Hour, H-O-U-R. That starts with H, a consonant letter. So, hour?
Say it. How does hour start?
Hour. Oh, the H is silent. It sounds like hour, so it sounds like a vowel sound.
So we say,
An hour. An honest answer. An honor.
you've got it completely. So the golden rule, always trust your ears, not your eyes.
Trust your ears. I love that. That's like the cheat code right there.
It really is. Okay, so now we know when to use a versus an, but when do we use them versus the? That's the big question.
Yes, because sometimes I feel like I could use either one and I don't know which is right.
Okay, here is the core idea, and this is the heart of the whole lesson. A and an are for things that are new, unknown, or one of many. The is for things that are specific, known, or unique.
Can you break that down with an example, a real-life example?
Absolutely. Imagine you come home and you tell your friend, I saw a dog today.
I saw a dog today. Okay, so any dog, one dog, a random dog.
Exactly. Your friend has no idea which dog. It's new information. It's just one dog out of all the dogs in the world.
Got it. And now?
Now, the next day, you talk about that same dog again. You say, the dog was so friendly.
The dog, because now we both know which dog. The dog from yesterday, the specific one.
Yes, the means we both know what I'm talking about. There's a shared understanding between the speaker and the listener.
Ah, that is so clear. So A is like introducing something new, and the is like pointing at something we already know.
Perfect summary. Here's another example. You walk into a restaurant. You say, "Can I have a table, please?"
A table, because any table is fine. I just need one.
Right, but then the waiter takes you to a table and you sit down. Now you say, "Can you clean the table, please?"
The table, because now it's this specific table, the one I'm sitting at. We both know which one.
Beautiful. You are getting this fast, Cody.
I feel it clicking. Okay, everyone listening, pause here for a second. This is your moment. I want you to try this. Think of one sentence using a or an, just one simple sentence. Then think of a follow-up sentence using the. Pause this podcast right now and type both sentences in the comments. We read every single comment. Go ahead, pause, type, and come back.
I love that. And seriously, writing it out helps so much. The act of creating your own example makes the rule stick in your brain.
Okay, for people who are back, let's keep going. Cleo, what about unique things? You mentioned the is for unique things too.
Yes, some things in the world are one of a kind. There is only one. In that case, we always use the because there is no other option.
Like the sun.
Exactly. There's only one sun, so the sun is bright today. Not a sun, not an sun.
The moon, the sky, the earth.
Yes, the internet, the government, the president, when talking about a specific country's president.
Oh, interesting. So the president of France, because there's only one president of France at any given time.
Exactly right. Now, here is another moment where many students struggle. And Cody, pay close attention because this strips up even intermediate learners.
I'm listening very carefully.
Sometimes in English, we use no article at all. Zero, nothing. We call this the zero article.
The zero article. So sometimes no a, no an, no the, just the noun by itself.
Right, and there are some clear patterns. First, when we talk about things in general as a category, for example, I love music.
Not I love the music, not I love a music, just I love music.
Right, you're talking about music in general, all music, the concept of music. Same with dogs are loyal animals.
Dogs are loyal animals, not the dogs are loyal animals, because I mean all dogs, dogs as a species.
Exactly. General statements about a whole category, no article.
What about meals? Because I always get confused. Do I say I had the breakfast, or I had a breakfast, or just breakfast?
Great question. For meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, we usually use no article. I had breakfast. Let's have lunch. Dinner is ready.
Just like that. No article. Simple.
And for subjects, like school subjects or languages, I study English, not I study the English. She teaches mathematics. He speaks French.
Oh, that's such a common mistake. I've heard so many people say, I'm learning the English, and now I understand it should just be, I'm learning English.
Exactly. No article for languages and subjects in general.
Okay, I want to recap everything so far because my brain is getting full in the best way.
Let's do a quick check. When do we use a or an?
When something is new, unknown, or one of many things. A before consonant sounds and before vowel sounds. And remember, trust your ears, not your eyes.
And when do we use the?
When something is specific, already known, or totally unique, like the sun, the moon, or the dog we already talked about.
And when do we use nothing, the zero article?
When we talk about things in general, like I love coffee, dogs are great, she studies Spanish.
You just taught that lesson yourself, Cody. That's how well you've got it.
I really do get it. Okay, Cleo, give me some tricky ones. Test me.
Okay, she wants to be blank doctor.
A doctor, because she's one doctor, one of many doctors in the world. It's not a specific doctor.
Correct. Next, can you turn off blank light?
The light, because we both know which light, probably the light in the room we're both in right now.
Perfect. Next, blank Nile is the longest river in the world.
The Nile, because there's only one Nile River. It's unique.
Yes, and this is a great pattern to remember. We almost always use the with rivers, mountain ranges, oceans, and seas. The Amazon, the Himalayas, the Pacific Ocean.
The Atlantic, the Alps, the Mississippi. Got it.
One more, blank honesty is the best policy.
Honesty is the best policy. No article, because we're talking about honesty in general, as a concept, as a quality.
Outstanding! You are on fire.
I feel like I leveled up today, seriously.
Now, there's one more tip I want to give before we recap. And Cody, this is a secret tip that even many advanced students don't think about.
Another secret tip? I love this podcast.
When you tell a story, and this happens in everyday conversation all the time, you introduce things with a or an, then every time after that, you switch to the.
Oh, like I met a woman at the coffee shop today. The woman told me something amazing.
Exactly. First mention a woman, second mention the woman, because now she's known, she's been introduced.
It's like introducing a character in a movie. When you first see them, they're a stranger. After that, they're the character you know.
That is a brilliant way to think about it. The first time, a stranger. After that, a known person. Use a or an to introduce. Use the to refer back.
This is genuinely one of those rules that once you see it, you can't unsee it. You'll notice it everywhere, in books, in movies, and conversations.
That's exactly right. Start listening for it actively, and your brain will absorb the pattern naturally.
Okay, let's do the speed recap. Fast and sharp. Everyone try to follow along.
A and an, same meaning, used for new or unknown things.
A before consonant sounds. A book, a car, a university.
An before vowel sounds. An apple, an hour, an honest person.
Trust your ears, not the spelling.
The for specific, known, or unique things.
The sun, the moon, the dog we already talked about.
The for rivers, mountain ranges, oceans. The Nile, the Pacific, the Alps.
No article for general ideas, languages, subjects, and meals.
I love coffee. She speaks Italian. We had dinner.
First mention, use a or an. Second mention, use the.
And the golden cheat code?
Trust your ears, not your eyes.
That's the whole lesson.
That was fast. But seriously, if you need to hear any part again, just rewind. That's the beauty of a podcast. You can replay the exact moment that confused you.
And the more times you hear it, the more natural it becomes.
Okay, before we go, we have one final question for you. And this one is for the comment section. Here it is. Tell us one sentence using a or an, and then a follow-up sentence using the. Tell us a little story. 2 sentences. Introduce something, then refer back to it. For example, I found a key on the street. The key opened a mysterious door. Something like that.
We absolutely love reading your stories. It's one of our favorite parts of making this show.
And if this episode helped you, share it with one friend who struggles with a, an, and the. You might just change their English forever.
Subscribe to the Cody English so you never miss a lesson. Every week, we break down real English, the kind you actually use in life.
I'm Cody. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.
And I'm Cleo. You've got this. Bye for now.
Bye.